Was one of your New Year's resolutions to save more money by planning your purchases in advance? Tampa Fashion and Beauty Examiner Kelly Mashvitz is here to tell us how we can still get our fashion fix and save while doing it. Kelly, good to have you back.
Thank you. Good to be here, Cindy.
You say, first of all, make your shopping list.
Right. It's basically 3 steps, but you want to know what you need first. A lot of people go into the malls willy-nilly. They don't know what they need. They're just buying what looks good, and then they don't have anything to wear and wonder why.
Or they end up with 4 pair of gray pants, like I have.
Right, and they don't get it on sale, so they're paying full retail price, or they're buying duplicates. So the first thing is you want to go in at least once a year, go through the closet, clear out what's not working for you, and then create your list in advance so you know what you need.
Send it off to Goodwill or consignment.
Exactly.
You'll feel good about it, and you move on.
Right.
Make a budget and stick to it.
Right. So know how much you have to spend for the year, and then for everything on your shopping list, dedicate an amount of money to that.
Okay.
So you know, for instance, you need a new bathing suit. You're going to spend $150 on it. So,
or in my case, you get 5 for $150.
Right. Well, you know, just so you have some amount in there.
Right.
And then I suggest at the beginning of the year, get a calendar. Write on the calendar exactly what you're going to be purchasing that month, and I have a list of all the great times that our items go on sale.
Good.
And then you're actually going to schedule in the shopping date, because if it's in your day timer, you'll do it. If it's not, chances are you'll procrastinate.
Well, let's look at the best time to buy a bathing suit. And I thought it would maybe be December, because that would have been, you know, when there's not many bathing suits around and they're just trying to get rid of the old stock. But you say July and August. Why then?
Right. Well, the best time, everything goes on sale immediately following the holiday or the season. So the bathing suits come in early spring. And by the time July comes around, the stores are ready to move on to their fall merchandise. So they want to get rid of whatever they have there, so they're going to mark them down.
Okay, July, August.
Right.
Stock
so that's basically true for almost anything. For instance, jeans. Everybody has back to school sales. They get all this merchandise in. Become August, September, they're going to mark down the jeans. So that's a great time to
You
shop.
say get your coats and winter wear in January and February.
Right. Again, they came in the fall. And now they want to clear out the merchandise and bring in new. So
I didn't even know there was a good time to get a formal dress, but I guess this makes sense because of graduation and proms.
Certain times during the year. So holiday dresses are on sale now.
Yes.
So if you're looking for next year's New Year's or Christmas dress, now's a great time to do it. They also, right after prom season, homecoming, those times of years.
Yeah, don't wait.
Right.
Do it now. Think ahead.
Exactly.
Make that one of your resolutions. Lingerie. There's even a good time of year to buy lingerie.
I know. Yeah. Actually, lingerie is great in January, May, and July.
Why?
It just, again,
you know, they're
bringing in new styles, and they need to clear out. So it's just kind of where it hits on the calendar.
Okay, men's clothing, August and December. What's that?
Men don't shop as often as women, if you've noticed.
Except for my husband, he does.
Is he a shopper?
He's a shopper.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
My husband doesn't care to shop.
Okay.
So usually it's in and out, and that's how a lot of men are. So they plan twice a year. They replace whatever needs to be replaced, get whatever they need new. So twice a year, the stores will mark down the inventory that's been there for a while so that they can bring in new merchandise.
So August and December for the boys. Shoes, November, December, January, and July.
Right. Again, the seasons change. You're going to get your winter boots now in January.
Yes.
Get your summer shoes in the fall, and so on.
It all makes sense. Spring clothing, get it in June.
Correct.
And then finally, summer clothing, get it in August.
Right.
And September.
Right. Right. So
you're thinking for the next
planning ahead, using your list.
Yeah.
And if you get the item on your list, go ahead and check it off the calendar. If you spent more, then you need to cut back somewhere else on your budget. If you spent less, you can spend more on something else. Maybe get a great accessory.
Well, I know where you're going to be on July 6th.
That's right.
At 1 p.m. She's going to be at the International
I'm going to be shopping for my bathing suit.
All right, Kelly. Thank you very, very much. We'll be right back with more Daytime.